Hi everyone, I'm here to do another unboxing today. So if you watched my last video, you know that I got scammed and I'm still getting that resolved, but I couldn't wait any longer. So you see my son. So I did get, ta-da, another Gucci item, and you might already know what it is from the box. So let's open it up. And it came in this Gucci dust bag. Receipt. So here's the dust bag to reveal. Ta-da! This is the Gucci Super Mini in the black matelasse leather, the gold hardware. So cute, and I already have my things in here. Let me take it out, and the chain, and it looks like that. So if you guys watched that last video, you know that I couldn't fit the waist belt around my waist, so I did get my chain from my Palm Springs Mini. I just looped it this way, and then it can then fit on my waist. So let me show you guys. Hello? Hello, Junior? Okay, so here it is, and I just did the whole thing in the inside. And here is that extended chain that I added, and it fits. So that's just a little trick to extend your chain. That way it can fit on your waist if you're like me, who is a little thick. Uh-oh, let me see. Who is it? Alright, so the bag features a smooth leather, this double G's, and then this. And prior to this video, I did get it authenticated so that we don't have to go through that again. But yes, this is an authentic item. It's not fake. And it still has that really soft leather microfiber and the heart on the back. And this chain is super like heavy and substantial. So yeah, it's super cute. Hello. It's super cute, and I love it, and I can't wait to try it and see what I can, you know, like my styling outfits with it, and I'm just excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.